Hi there everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah and I am a crafter in Scotland, and I've recently come back to my channel after a 6-year spell away, and I'm actually having loads of fun creating stuff again. So in my last video I mentioned that I had wanted to try making the tiny micro nano teeny tiny weeny rosettes. So I had to go at making them today, and oh my god, I'm obsessed. They are so quick to put together and I just love them to bits. So I'm going to be making loads of these. You'll probably be sick of the sight of me. But I made these ones first on the top. So, oh, I need that across there. So that's the first one, a little green one with a little green glittery heart in the middle and just a little bit of green glitter holding the back together. And then I made a Tiffany blue one with a silver holographic centre. I just love how they all turned out. And this is a red gingham with a little pink pom-pom. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hold it that way. There we go. That's that one. And then we've got a cream and black stripe with a gold heart. You can see that. Really pretty. So I followed a tutorial online on YouTube, and it was by YouTube user Bambi Deer, and that is BAMBIDEARR. You should head over to her channel and see how you make them. But what I'm going to do is give you a quick run through of what it is that I've done to make these today. So what you need to do is you need to get a piece of cardstock 7.5 inches by 5. 7.5 is the key in the length. And then you're going to score it at 1/4 inch all the way along. And then what you want to do is you want to chop it up into 1/2 inch strips going along the 7.5 inch side. So you'll end up with a 1/2 inch strip by 7.5 inches long, scored at every 1/4 inch. And then what you want to do is you want to concertina this up and fold it up and fold it round and glue it. I'll just glue this just now. And then that way you get to see it getting done. This isn't a tutorial by any manner of means, it's just a quick show you how I did it. And then just pinch that together. Move them up that way a little bit. And once that's the glue's set on that, you just want to push it all together and form it into a little rosette. Now if you hang on just a wee second, I'll get my rubber silicone mat back. So I've just cut out a little shape here, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue there. And then I'm going to pop this over, squeeze it down, hold it down until the glue sets, and then we'll pop that little heart on the top. You can put anything on the top. With these ones I put pom-poms on, tiny little pom-poms. And I've also got like plasticky kind of cabochons from, I think I got these from Temu. You could put one of these on, but they might actually be a little bit too big. Let me just check. Yeah, it would look daft. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a heart shape cut out here. Just a little heart punch that I used. I'll show you in a second, and then just pop that on the top. That was the heart punch that I used, just a tiny one. And that's the punch that I used on the bottom. Just something round, well, something that's going to hold it. There we go. And then that's it. That's all that's to making these. So, as I said before, I'm actually obsessed with them now. They're so nice. So I'm going to go, if many of you can remember, I've got a shed up in the top of the garden that I used to be in before I moved into the house. So I've still got all my stuff that I still need to move down out my shed, but I'm sure I've got some big paper clips somewhere. And I think these would be nice as paper clip toppers. And then also putting them on tags. Oh, my head is absolutely buzzing with ideas, and I'm just excited to be back crafting again and making loads of nice things. But these are just the right size to just grab your attention and, you know, get you making things. So the next plan is for these is I want to try some Easter colours and some nice pinks, some nice shabby chic ones. And when I've been making these, all I've been doing is using up my scraps. So this red kind of gingham one was a leftover from Christmas time, and I managed to make 4 rosettes from that. And all these have all been offcuts of projects that I have made. So I've not really cut into any big sheets, I've just been using my stash. And I want to try and kind of keep that theme going along, because card making stuff is so expensive. I can't believe how expensive it's got in the 6 years that I've been away. And I'm also finding that it's not, you know, things aren't as readily available as they used to be here in the UK, so it's really difficult to try and get a hold of card making stuff that's not going to cost you a fortune. And the fact that we're in a cost of living crisis and everything is so expensive. But let's not focus on the doom and gloom. Let's focus on making really nice projects out of our leftovers. And I hope to come back and share some more ideas in my next video of what I've done with all these little rosettes and what I'm going to be doing with them. I mean, I'll keep some for putting on cards, some for envelopes, tags, and any other little project, little books, mini books. So thank you for watching, thank you for popping in. I would love to have you as a subscriber and pop in and say hi. I would love to meet you all. So thank you once again, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.